Poultry farming is one of the most accessible and profitable forms of agriculture. But for beginners, starting with baby chicks can be both exciting and overwhelming. In this documentary, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to build a successful poultry farm, starting from day one with baby chicks. Before you bring your chicks home, planning is key. Location, size, breed, and budget. These are the cornerstones of your future poultry farm. Tips: choose a proper location. Well ventilated, free from predators, and accessible for transport and supplies. Start small. Begin with 100 to 200 chicks. Scale up as you gain experience. Budget wisely. Account for chick purchase, housing, feed, vaccination, and emergency costs. Decide your purpose: egg-laying layers, meat production broilers, or dual-purpose breeds. 3. Housing and brooding setup. 2 minutes. Narration. Baby chicks are delicate. Their survival depends on a proper brooding environment that provides warmth, shelter, and safety. Tips: temperature control. Keep brooder temperature at 32 to 35 degrees Celsius, 90 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit during the first week, reducing by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius weekly. Use heat sources, infrared bulbs, gas brooder, or electric heaters with thermometers. Space. Provide at least 0.5 square feet per chick during the brooding period. Bedding. Use wood shavings, straw, or rice husks. Keep it dry and change it regularly. Ventilation. Ensure proper airflow without cold drafts. 4. Feeding and watering. 2 minutes. Narration. Nutrition is the foundation of healthy growth. Feed your chicks the right diet at the right time and ensure continuous access to clean water. Tips: starter feed. Provide commercial chick starter feed with 20 to 22% protein. Feed frequency. Feed little and often, 3 to 4 times a day. Clean water. Use shallow drinkers, clean daily. Add vitamins or electrolytes during stress. Observe. Healthy chicks are active, alert, and have good appetites. 5. Health management. 2 minutes. Narration. Prevention is better than cure. A healthy flock means higher productivity and lower mortality. Tips: vaccination schedule. Follow local veterinary guidelines for Merrick's, Newcastle, Gumboro, and others. Biosecurity. Limit visitors, disinfect tools and boots, isolate new or sick birds. Daily checks. Look for signs of lethargy, loss of appetite, drooping wings, or discharge. Record keeping. Track growth, mortality, feed intake, and medication. 6. Growth and transition to coop. 1.5 minutes. Narration. As chicks grow, they need more space, feed variety, and exposure to natural light. Tips: transition age, at 3 to 4 weeks depending on weather and feathering. Expand space. Shift to a grower coop with 1 to 2 square feet per bird. Change diet. Move to grower feed with 16 to 18% protein. Introduce outdoor time. Gradually allow access to open runs during the day. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. 1.5 minutes. Narration. Mistakes are part of the learning process, but knowing what to avoid can save you time, money, and chicks. Common mistakes. Overcrowding the brooder. Using improper bedding, like newspaper, which is slippery. Ignoring temperature and ventilation. Skipping vaccinations using contaminated feed or water. Not isolating sick birds. 8. Scaling and sustainability. 1 minute. Narration. Once you've mastered the basics, you can begin to scale. But remember, growth must be sustainable. Tips: reinvest profits. Improve housing, expand feed storage, or increase flock size. Diversify. Consider producing your own feed, composting litter, or selling manure. Community. Join farmer groups or co-ops for knowledge sharing and bulk purchases. Stay informed. Attend trainings, read poultry journals, or follow agricultural updates. 9. Conclusion. 1 minute narration. Starting a poultry farm with baby chicks is a journey of care, patience, and learning. With the right knowledge and attention, your small flock can grow into a thriving business. Whether you aim for eggs, meat, or both, success begins with strong foundations. Closing words. This is not just about raising chickens, it's about building a future, one chick at a time.